Hey guys, it's Josh again. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Shampooer. We upgraded to this style from the old school Rug Doctor ones that was blue. They're kind of expensive. We've used them for about 15 years and it's just kind of, they wore out. You know, we had two of them. But this unit seems to be pretty good. We've used it one time. With this operation, as you can see, we'll get on the box. You got to make sure you buy the right one. There's a couple of different models of these, but if it's purple and black, you've probably got the right one. We ordered this through Walmart.com. It was $289. Pretty good value. It comes with 2 bottles of carpet shampoo, or mini bottles of carpet shampooer. It comes with a handheld wand. It comes with an upgraded wand head. Okay, so you get your hose. And to use the hose, it actually clips in somewhere up here. I've never done it myself, right here. Okay, so if you can see, it's a little dark, but that would clip in right there. You got your end. Put your end on. Is this one right here. The other versions that do have a handheld device does not come with one that's this nice, a head that's this nice. You got a little trap right here that keeps it from sucking stuff up through it, which I kind of don't see the purpose of that, because either way it's going to be in your water tank. But it's a pretty nice one. And then you would just turn around, clip that onto this, lock it in place, and there's your handheld attachment hooked to your vacuum cleaner. Okay, to take it off, you just press your red button and pull out. All right. Okay, and then you flip that back down and you're ready to go back to carpet shampooing. The way you use it, and pull it out here in the light a little bit better. This is going to be your fill reservoir right here. You just lift up on it and it'll pull right out, which I've already put a full tank in it. On the back of it, mixing instructions are right here on the back. You can go by what it says to do, which there'll be 3 different measurements. One is for the max deep clean. Another's for the easy fill, which is just quick, easy. It's for like medium soil carpets. And then express clean right here, which is for light soil, where you just want to run over a spot real fast and be done with it. So light soil, medium, and heavy. And then this right here is your dirty water tank. This would be, I guess they call it a gray or black tank. To get it out, you push down on the handle here. It'll pull right out. This does fill really, really quick. So you'll have to be draining it and empty it. And I'll see if I can show you the line on it. Okay, the full line is right there, about halfway up it. So when this is less than halfway full, you'll have to empty it, and you'll know that it needs to be emptied because it'll quit sucking your water back up. And this is how you drain it. You just pop that black cap off, pour it out. Some people pour it in the toilet. I like to take mine outside and pour it out, just because if you got a pet, that hair will actually clog up your septic systems. It floats to the top and messes everything up. All right, put it back in. You just gotta angle it in there. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's hard. And that's right back in there. Then put your top on. You got to line it up with these 2 grooves in the back of it. And it should set right down on there, and that's in there. So that would be ready to rock and roll. You do get 2 bristles with the carpet shampoo, 2 scrubbing bristles. These do spin, so it scrubs your carpet as it's doing. It's not just spraying water and sucking it right back out. These will actually spin for you. You've got a clean shot, what they call a clean shot, which is this device right here. If you got it full of stuff, you can press this green button right here, and it'll shoot a stream out so you can pre-soak stains in the carpet. So you would just step on that, it'll cut it on, spray it till it's done, then you click it again, and it'll turn the clean shot back off. If you're going from room to room, you can go in one room, soak everything, go to the next, carpet shampoo it, and then come back and shampoo what you just pre-treated. It has a 28-foot hose on it, or a cord, I'm sorry, power cord. So you got plenty of space to be able to move from room to room. This does swivel, so when you roll it on there, you just flip it back this way and it should fall right back off. Here's your off on switch, so you'd step on that and it cut the whole thing on. All right, here's your handle. This handle right here controls the suction. So when you want, or it controls the spray. So when you're wanting it to spray, you press your button and it's putting water or carpet cleaner down on the floor. On this side right here is a button. Oh, I'm sorry. That is your power button. I apologize. That is your power button. And this is how you rotate it back. I'm sorry. And you'd be able to lay it back so you can operate it like a normal vacuum. There is a setting on it right here on the side to swap from max, deep to express clean. Max clean, heavy soled carpets. Deep clean are going to be for medium soled carpets, and express is going to be for just a light spot that you need to run over real quick. At the very least, I would run it in the middle setting, and then max. If you've got a really tough stain, I'd click it on max. Max is going to use the most amount of water. Deep clean is going to use a middle amount of water, and express is going to use the least amount of water. And it's advertised that it'll actually, the carpet will dry within 30 minutes if you use express clean, but with express clean you may not be getting it as clean. So just keep that in mind. Especially if you got dog urine in the carpet or something like that and it soaks through, you're going to want to put it on max. You don't want to do it on express because you want that cleaner to get all the way through the carpet and to the floor. All right, and then as for basic operation of it, we're going to do the floor right here real fast. Turned around, I'm going to put it on max clean. We're going to tilt it back, turn it on with my hand, and you can see the brushes start spinning in it as soon as I turn it on. You can see where the carpet's gotten wet, so it is doing its job. It doesn't have an adjustment where you can adjust how low or high the brushes go, but that's fine. If you get it a little, it's not that hard to operate. It does suck in either direction, forwards or back. I know with some of the cheaper carpet shampooers, it'll only push the cleaner out in one direction and it'll only suck when you're pulling it the other direction. I'm assuming it has something to do like a motor or gear selector that operates by the tires on it, is the way I would think. I'm not positive about that, but this one don't do that. You can hold that handle down and spray it as you go back, forth, but what you really want to do is spray it as you go forward, let the knob go that sprays the water, and then suck it as you go backwards, and then spray forward, suck backwards, spray forward, suck backwards. All right, and off that little bit, this is my home office, and you can see how much it works. There was nothing in this. This was completely clean, and we just did 2 or 3 stripes. This is my home office, so it gets light use. Just me walking in and going to my computer. All right, but you can see the quality, how dirty that was. That's just for me walking in and out of here to go to the office. And then keep in mind, this was just shampooed probably about a month and a half ago, and it's already looks like that. And that's just from what we did, what, maybe 3 small lines. But you can see out of the 3 small lines how close to full it already is. So it's putting it down. Like I said, I've got it on the max setting, so it's putting the cleaner in the carpet. When you do it on the other settings, this don't feel as much, but it also doesn't clean as well, in my opinion. And there's some other videos from Bissell out there and stuff like that that you can watch, but this is an honest review. I'm not getting paid by Bissell. I'm not getting paid by the cleaning company. I'm not getting paid by YouTube. This is just something I want to do, and as you can see, it does get hard to get on there sometimes. You got to angle the base in and then push it in, and that's about it. So far, I'm happy with it for $289. It's not the same as a Rug Doctor, but it does work. If you got any questions, comments, any upgrades that can be done to it, definitely make sure you write it down below in the comments. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, I do a lot of random videos. Sometimes it's drones, sometimes it's motorcycles, sometimes it's vacuum cleaners, sometimes it could be anything. That's a brand new set of knives that we just bought. But if you like seeing random videos of stuff the average homeowner could use, definitely subscribe to my channel. It helps us out. I don't get paid by YouTube at all. I don't have enough subscribers. My watch time, my watch hours is there, but I do not have enough subscribers. As of right now, I think I still need 840 something more. So please subscribe to us. Doesn't cost you a thing. And you can keep, if I need to do an updated video, if you subscribe, this will give you a link the moment that I post it. You'll be able to get a notification. It'll tell you. But I will run over how you take this head off real quick. You pop that cover up, you pull that out, and you can actually take this out, take this apart, clean your brushes, clean all this hair out. It does come with a little tool that'll allow you to stick it up through here, hook onto hair, which you can see from just shampooing it. There's hair. I do have pets. There is some hair in it. You can, that little tool, go in there, hook on that hair, and it pulls right back out, which I would just rinse it out with a water hose because I'm a little more old-fashioned. But that's it. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.